The pain in my knee was excruciating, and at times it was just unbearable.
Even the simplest thing, like walking, was painful. I had pain shooting through my right knee.
It isn't a choice of am I going to fix this or not, it's a choice of who's going to fix it for me.
The doctors and staff at ARO are just amazing.
The doctors here are very empathetic. They're very kind and caring.
They talk to you like a regular human being.
These doctors actually helped me. There's no way I could put it into words of how grateful I feel.
The result was so immediate. I felt as though a miracle had happened.
Anybody who's in pain should give this a shot. Come and get the MRIs reviewed here and see if there's a possibility that they can help you. There's help out here. It really is.